Hey, howdy guys, this is Dave, and I'm about to try a little experiment here. I've heard recently that if you boil bass strings, that it brings them back to life. I do own a bass. I'm primarily a drummer, but I've been playing some bass lately. I got this Squire P bass in like 2005, and I played it in a band for a little while, but I mostly just played drums. But lately I've been wanting to mess around with some more bass, and I thought I would try to revive these strings a little. So it's like 12-year-old strings at least. And so I guess we're just going to start off by trying to play a little bit here, see how it sounds. You can see it here. We got a nice Squire P bass. For those of you freaking out about that, don't worry, it's electric tape. It just peels off. I don't care. So yeah, they sound pretty dead, I would say. So now we're going to take them off and boil them. Boil the fuck out of them. And we're going to see what happens. I can already see it boiling off all that nast. I'm about to take advantage of this moment and just wipe this down a little because it's kind of dirty. Alright, well, we got it restrung and retuned, so let's just hear how much difference there is. Holy cow! I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I certainly can hear the difference. It has that little extra... I don't know, I can't really explain it, but yeah, it has more of that punch, I guess, the punch. But yeah, that is pretty sweet. Yeah, since I'm just getting back into it, I'm definitely going to get some strings, but this will hold me down in the meantime. That wouldn't sound as good as a fresh pack of strings, but, you know, in a pinch, this is great. Next, I think I'm just going to get some pickups and see what can be modded on this bad boy. But anyways, you guys, that's all I got for right now. So if you like what you heard and saw here, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, have a good one.